Hi guys, welcome to this week's video, our journey on Pico Island. Well, I'm a little sad because Carlos left me. He left me and Zena here back in Canada. He had to go back to Pico, but that's okay. We will be joining him in April. I can only go for 90 days, so he had to go ahead of me just to oversee some work, and I need to stay here in Canada, take care of things here. And plus I need to be back on Pico for our workshop that's happening in May. If you want to retire or semi-retire or work remotely in the Azores, we're doing a fantastic workshop. So I will link that in the description below and you can check it out. Carlos thought it would be kind of fun to videotape his trip back to Pico and take you guys along with him. This morning, I had to get my headlight fixed, so our friend Fernando, who happens to be from Pico, just opened up a transmission shop here in Oakville on Spears Road. So he kindly offered to replace that for me. So I went there this morning. Thank you, Sonia and Fernando, for doing that for me. It was so great catching up with you guys. So if you guys ever need any transmission work, go and see them. It's Halton Transmission on Spears Road. Just a little plug for you guys. Anyways, Carlos, you take it away and we will talk to you on Pico. Ciao, guys.
It's not easy saying bye to Laura and Zena, family, friends, but I feel good that these trips going back and forth is good. Actually packing, ready to go back. I'm going back alone this time just to get this house done. It's been good progress. I'm going to try and catch this wave and maybe hopefully have it done in the next 2-3 months. Then we can rent it out. So, but it is, you know, I haven't been going there by myself in a long time. It's always been with Lauren the last 12 years and Zena for the last 4. So it is going to be weird, I'm sure, on this trip. But I think it's going to be productive. And see you on Pico.
The gate is about to close.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome to the Azores. So we just arrived at Ponta Delgada in San Miguel and St. Michael. Excellent flight on Azores Airlines. Took about 5 hours and 15 minutes. Very smooth, and I'm just waiting for my connection over to Pico. There was one thing that I really felt that was missing on this trip, and it's Laura and Zena. Very weird traveling alone for actually the first time in the last 12 years, I think. And yeah, so it's going to be a different trip, like I mentioned before, but it's going to be good. It's going to be productive, and Laura will be coming over with Zena hopefully the beginning of April. All right, see you on Pico. Hey guys, just arrived on Pico, an amazing flight. Took about 25 minutes. I don't think it was more than that. My cousin Bernardo is picking me up. I'd like to thank him for that, and I brought him back a little nice gift from Canada. It's maple syrup for his pancakes. And he's actually visiting for 3 weeks. He's studying in Lisbon. Can't wait to see him. And hopefully he's out there waiting for me. And there's Bernardo. It's been a while since we've seen our car. I think about 2 months. I think he's going to enjoy the maple syrup for sure.
Welcome to Pico, guys.
Hey, buddy.
My motoring skills are coming back because, as you know, in Canada I have an automatic, and first week that I'm there I think I'm driving standard. So as soon as I get here for the first week I'm going to think I'm driving automatic. So, but great sunny day for you guys that have never been here and think that the winter here is horrible all the time. Completely wrong, because right now it's beautiful, it's sunny. I don't know if it's 16 or 17. Water is calm, and yeah, it could be like this a lot of days during the winters. Don't be afraid to come in the winter.
Hey guys, good morning. So as you know, we arrived, or not we, see? I arrived yesterday. Laura's still in Canada. Gotta get used to that. Anyways, I had a good sleep yesterday. I feel kind of refreshed. The rooster is actually welcoming me to Pico, to the village this morning. And what another sunny day. Unbelievable. February 9 today is. And it's beautiful. It's nice and warm. I'm thinking 18, 19. And today I have a big list of things to do right away. So this video is going to be about me kind of getting into that list, just kind of checking things, getting acclimatized, getting used to the island again, which really doesn't take that getting used to. You kind of nowadays, myself and when Laura comes, it's a quick transition to a couple of days and we're right into either island life or when we're back in Canada life. But I'm here today. I'm alone this trip. Laura joins me in a couple of months, as some of you already know. And today is going to be all about cleaning. Behind me here, you can see the table. I'm starting to get all this dust away. And so it's all about cleaning. I just want to freshen this up. Then maybe we can get the cleaning lady to come in after I get rid of some of this rough stuff. And she can sort of make it even nicer. Or even just, we don't need to, this is an old house. But we like to keep it clean, and to me the character that's here is kind of welcomes you right away. As soon as you're back, kind of open the door and you're kind of welcomes you with open arms, and I think it's I kind of love that feeling. Let me just show you some of the what I'm going to be doing first. So if you can see here, look at all this dust. It's everywhere. You see? So I'm wiping all this dust. I've already started. Look at how much dust there is. The floor will be last. I'll vacuum and then mop it. I already started cleaning here. It's going to take a whole day to kind of, or maybe half a day just to get to where I want it. And yeah, there's some eggs that I'm doing. I'm on a bit of a diet where I don't eat for like 16 hours. And then my first meal of the day will be like a small lunch, maybe a couple of boiled eggs. Just trying to eat a little healthier. And like I mentioned, look how nice the weather is today. Look at this. At least 17, 18. I know some of you regular followers have seen this image quite a few times, but for the ones watching this for the first time, this is Lajes, a coastal village here on Pico Island, one of the 9 islands of the Azores. And this house here that we stay in is my family home. Grew up here. It's about 200 years old, I'm thinking. Village is over 500. And yeah, so enough of this. I'm going to have to water these as well a little bit. Laura would appreciate that. And for now, let's just get back to cleaning. Hey guys, so it's about 1 o'clock here. It's past 1, past my lunch. Anyways, here's where I'm at. I've been pretty much vacuumed all the dust. This haul just finished, and we're now going to. I'll show you the rest of what we've done, and then at the end I'm going to do some mopping. Okay, so this is just to show you some progress, but more importantly is to show Laura, right, what I've been up to, and my uncle and tio. E gosto quando a casa tem sempre pessoal, especialmente família, está sempre sozinha, a casa. So, agora estou a mostrar o tio, estou a limpar esse pó, o quarto bem está bonito, e só para ver que aquilo, a vida na vila está sempre fixe. Um pouco português, a little bit of Portuguese, okay? Okay, so let's see here. So I kind of vacuumed as much as I could from the floor, as you saw before. And look at the table. Took all everything that was on top of the blankets and all that. They're going to be washed. These tables, nice. So I cleaned it all. Okay, Laura, look. I was polishing. Anyways, yeah, look at this. So I've been at it for over 2 hours, but it's good to get all this dust before I tackle the table, everything else. And next, I'm going to eat, and then I'm going to have this nice healthy lunch. And I've been fasting since about 8 o'clock last night, maybe 9. And yeah, I'm going to try to keep up with this. There's all the stuff that's going to be washed. But look at the day here. Look at this. It's continuing. Wow. I would think it would be the summer, honestly. Some of you that have been here, that are from here, if I give you this shot here, you would think it's summer. But it is February, like I said before. Anyways, let's get to lunch. I'm getting a little weak now. I wouldn't want to pass out during filming. So let me show you what I'm eating with today for lunch. Very simple, like island life, simplicity. And I think if I stay with this, I'm going to lose my little belly, which I've been dying to do, and some exercise. But yeah, some low carb, more protein. There's your nice tuna here, right from São Jorge, the island of São Jorge. Unbelievable tuna. Santa Catarina, love it. This one there's some olive oil. And yeah, that's just a boiled egg. I put a bit of olive oil on there. Dessert, it's going to be tangerines and a banana. Those tangerines and these oranges are from my uncle's quinta that I got yesterday, right? Vitamin C. And there's also very good olive oil from mainland Portugal. And to finish it off, or to go along with it, is nice Sagres, Portuguese beer, very good. And yeah, I mean, this is the thing. You get over 50, you got to keep watching or just stay on top of your health. I think that's important. Sometimes we forget. And here on Pico Island, there's a lot of good food. There's a lot of good restaurants. You have a lot of family inviting you over. Always great food. And sometimes it's hard to always say no or to keep away from that nice, delicious. And you end up overeating, right? So that'll happen. But overall, I think I'm going to keep 80%. I'm going to keep doing this. I think that so far for a week, I've been able to fast for about 16 hours. And I think it's important to look after yourself because, you get over 50, it gets harder, right? And on guys, it's always the belly that kind of is hanging there, and it bothers my back. So that's one main reason I want to kind of take off about 20 pounds. So let's see. And I think with a lot of work that I still have to do at the house, I think that might just be the best exercise for it. A little earlier, I watered all of Laura's succulents. In here, I put them all outside, get a little sun, because they've been inside this little sun house. Guys, good morning. Another great day here in Lajes in Pico. I had a good night's sleep, totally pumped. I'm gonna make my way over to the house, and I just had to do this quick video because last night or yesterday when I finished the video and signed out of the video, unfortunately didn't come out. Dogs barking like crazy. Yes, so it's been a pretty long day. I think I'm gonna cut it here. So I just thought to sign out of the video today before heading to the house. So hope you enjoyed hanging out with me for my first day on Pico, and we'll see you on the next video, which will be filmed today. I'll film some updates on the reno, and hopefully you'll enjoy that as well. But for now, I would appreciate maybe a few thumbs up. Keep the comments coming or emails. Really appreciate that. Okay, bless everybody.